Hello, my name is Olivia Fitzgerald and I'm the MD of 1 to 5 Data and Insights. And I wanted to give you a quick summary of why 1 to 5 is the right guest experience platform to choose if you are a Zonal customer. First of all, it's a very comprehensive and integrated toolkit. So everything around understanding what your guests are saying and making sure that your business can act on that guest sentiment in order to become a better business every single day, basically. And I think the important point here is that the insights that we can provide will directly impact your bottom line. So in a nutshell, if customers are happier, you're going to be getting more visit frequency, higher spend, and making more money. What kind of customers we work with, because our system is very, very flexible. It's no two surveys are the same. It's very much bespoke, so we can work with a really wide range of hospitality businesses. So everything from competitive socializing to bars, restaurants, corporate catering, accommodation. The questions are, you ask the questions that are relevant and matter to your business, and it's not one size fits all. So that's probably a really important thing to understand about what makes us different. So what does 1 to 5 actually do? So in our toolkit, we've got 5 different modules, if you like. Firstly, there's a smart survey that gets about 85% conversion rate from beginning to end of the survey. So we'll capture a lot of volume and detail, but in a very, very easy, user-friendly way. Social reputation, we pull in all the comments and reviews that are anything people are saying about you out there on the web is then pulled into the platform as well, so you get a really comprehensive picture of what's being said. Case management is your tool for responding to customers, whether that's for complaints or reviews or emails directly to your website, or perhaps DMs, so that you've got everything in one place and you can track the responses and your SLAs around responding. Topic analysis is where we use AI to categorize the topics that people are talking about and give you a very quick and easy view of what's most important that's going on in your business and what needs action. And then Market Insights is a benchmarking tool that allows you to set your own competitors at brand level or branch level and see how your performance compares to theirs. So what difference does the Zonal integration make with using 1 to 5? This slide is just a quick illustration of the key integration points in a customer's journey in visiting one of your sites. So the first area really is that we're able to pull in the transactional information from Zonal in order to ask customers, so that we will know exactly where a customer has been, what time they've been there on what day, and what they've ordered. So we can ask them immediately about the products that they actually ordered and what they thought about them with very few additional clicks. So just really cuts down the time that it takes for them to give you feedback. That could be through a QR code that's printed on the receipt. It could be through a post-visit email from Zonal Bookings. It could be from QR codes on the packaging. It just depends on your business model, essentially. But the more feedback channels you can incorporate, the better. All of that transaction-based feedback is then pulled into the 1 to 5 platform in order to give you a really comprehensive view of what's going on for reporting. And then in the case management tool, you can actually use toggle vouchers to either incentivize more feedback or perhaps to, if you've had a complaint, to incentivize people to come back. And then at the end of the journey, all of your data will go back into CRM to help with your segmentation and make sure that your understanding of customers is growing all the time. That's it in a nutshell. There's a lot more. To it. So please do get in touch if you'd like to find out more. You can speak to your Zonal account manager, or you can get in contact with us directly. My contact details are there, and we'd love to give you a full demo and tell you a bit more about the platform. Thank you very much.